Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Today we will take a look at this broadening wedge formation and at a very strong support of 18 cents and this 200 weekly simple moving average and also this falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to tell you one thing. In my last video I was telling you that if Stellar Coin will break out falling wedge pattern on the 4-hourly time frame, then it can also break out the bigger falling wedge on the daily time frame. Now if we move to the 4-hourly time frame, here we have now this broadening wedge formation. Previously I was following this support of the falling wedge here, but now after these two more lower lows has formed a broadening wedge formation, therefore now we are at the resistance of this broadening wedge. Now if we take a look at this RSI oscillator here, then here when the price line was moved at this support here, then there was a bullish divergence appeared as the price line again formed another lower than previous low, but the price line formed lower than previous low, and the RSI oscillator formed a higher low than previous low. So there was a bullish divergence appeared here when the price line moved at this support, and the price line rallied well, followed the signal of this bullish divergence, and now we are again at this resistance. And you can see even after several attempts since after 8th of Feb, the price line is not able to break out this resistance. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame, here we are taking bounce by the support of a big wedge. Now if the price line breaks out this resistance of the broadening wedge formation, then it can also break out the resistance of this big wedge. Now if we take a look at the RSI oscillator here on the daily time frame, then yes, we have the same situation when the price line moved here on this 4-hourly time frame. At the support it was forming lower low, and same as like that the price line is forming lower than previous low, even though the difference is not very much big. If we watch the price here, the price was the lowest price was 16.7 cents, and here we have the lowest price 16.2 cents. Therefore the price line is forming lower than previous low. But if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, it is forming a very obvious higher low than previous low. So there is also a bullish divergence appeared on this daily time frame chart, like it was appeared here on the 4-hourly time frame, and therefore there is a very high probability that the price line will make another attempt to break out this resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern that is approximately at 21.5 cents. But if the price line will be rejected by this resistance of the smaller broadening wedge formation, then it can move down to test the support once again, that is approximately at 16 cents once again, from 16 to 15 cents. Now let's take a look at this very strong support that I've been telling you is very strong support we have here at 18 cents. Here the price line did not break it out. We had a rejection back in November 2020 when this rally was started, and for the several weeks it has been working as a very strong resistance. And now here we had another drop here, and after this short rally the price line is again moved down, and we have two spikes here. It is likely to form a double bottom formation. If we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see that it can be a double bottom here, and from here if the price line turns bullish, then it is also going to break out the resistance of this wedge, and the target of this falling wedge is here at the top of the wedge, that will be approximately at 44 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care, goodbye.